Hello and welcome. In this video, I will introduce you to MVTec MERLIC's deep learning-based Classify Image tool. To do this, we're taking a closer look at the example ClassifyPills.mv app. The goal of this application is to classify different kinds of pills and their defects. But first, what is classification? Classification needs a trained classifier. With classification, you input an image and in return get a label for the whole image. Classification is mainly used to distinguish different objects or classify different types of defects. Deep learning-based classification is especially useful when traditional machine learning reaches its limits, for example, with natural objects containing a lot of variation and complex features. The Classify Image tool performs a classification inference, meaning that we input an image and a trained model and get a class and corresponding confidence in return. To read the images, we use the Image Source tool. The additional tools inside this example application are used to prepare the classification results for their visualization within the front end. For this tutorial, I deleted the already trained classification model from the Classify Image tool. This way, I can show you how you can easily integrate a classification model, which was trained using MVTec's deep learning tool, into a MERLIC Vision app. Let me show you how to export a trained classifier from the deep learning tool. We see the evaluation results after successfully training the model. Here you have its performance visualized. To export the classification model, click the three dots here and select Export Model. The exported model can now be added to the Classify Image tool by using the file browser right here. As the model is added, you should be able to see the classification of the current image on the bottom left corner via the parameters Detected Classes and Confidences. Detected Classes shows which classes the image was assigned to by the Classify Image tool. Confidences consists of values between 0 and 1, which represents how sure the tool is about its decision. The overlaid heat map indicates the areas that influenced the result. You can turn it off by setting Show Heat Map to 0. You can step through your images by clicking Execute MERLIC Vision app once or by pressing the F6 key on your keyboard. To better visualize this application, I prepared a front end, exactly like the one inside the example ClassifyPills.mv app. In this front end, you can see and toggle the classification heat map. You can see the pill type and condition displayed at the top right corner. Defect pills are also indicated by a red light. You can step through your data by pressing this button. This concludes this video. In combination with the video Deep Learning Classification with the MVTec Deep Learning tool, you should now be able to train a deep learning classification model inside the Deep Learning tool and use it in your MERLIC Vision app. If you have feedback for us regarding MERLIC, feel free to send it to us via the feedback button in the top right corner. Thank you for watching.